Everyone talks about Tuscany and Barcelona, but what if Europe's true magic lies just outside the spotlight? Today, I'm taking you on a journey to two places that rarely make the headlines, but quietly steal hearts: La Marche in Italy and Oviedo in Spain. Let's start in La Marche. Picture rolling hills brushed with olive groves and fields of sunflowers, medieval towns perched on the horizon like well-kept secrets, Urbino's Renaissance charm, Ascoli Piceno's ancient squares, and along the coast, the Conero Riviera, where turquoise waters crash against white limestone cliffs. There's a slower rhythm here, fewer crowds, more space to breathe, and a lifestyle that feels deeply rooted, profoundly authentic. But the real soul of La Marche? It's in the food and wine. Imagine waking up early to join a truffle hunt beneath the forest canopy, or sitting down to hand-rolled Vinci's Grassi, the region's decadent twist on lasagna. Verdicchio wine swirls in your glass as you wander rustic markets, past stalls of fresh pecorino and baskets of wild herbs. Meals here are a love letter to tradition, each dish a story, every taste a memory in the making. Next, we cross the continent to Oviedo, tucked away in Spain's green north. This city is all atmosphere, medieval spires rising above cobbled streets, the scent of fresh rain mingling with roast chestnuts, and the echoes of history in every stone. Step outside town, and you'll find emerald hills rolling into mist, secret trails waiting for slow footsteps, and the literary legacy of Clarence La Regenta weaving through it all. Asturias, the region around Oviedo, is where tradition feels alive. Here, cider isn't just a drink, it's a ritual, poured from arm's length in a graceful arc. Rugged cliffs tumble into the wild Atlantic, while hidden beaches and ancient villages invite you to linger. Local festivals, hand-woven linens, and the smell of wood smoke promise a glimpse of timeless Spain. So why are these places still hidden gems? Maybe it's the winding roads, the lack of loud promotion, or the way locals outnumber tourists even in the height of summer. Here, the pace is slower, the welcome warmer, and the stories far richer than any guidebook can promise. If you're dreaming of 2025, here's how to make it happen. Visit in late spring or early autumn, May to June or September, when the air is soft and golden. Fly into Ancona for La Marche or Asturias Airport for Oviedo. Remember, learn a few words in Italian or Spanish, travel with respect, and choose locally owned, sustainable stays. Sometimes the most unforgettable places are the ones you've never heard of. So next year, wander off the well-trodden path and let La Marche and Oviedo surprise you. Europe's hidden treasures are waiting.